Hi and welcome to Fynone. We will quickly look at the updates that have gone live today, which is 20th of June 24. If to start with, would be under add or view invoice as part of income and collections form fill. So as part of the form, under item data, you would see this small new option called as copy. So whenever it's an existing item, there will be an option here saying copy item details from previous invoice. So this previous invoice could be for any customer, not necessarily the same customer. So you just click on it, automatically the quantity, the rates, the discounts, the custom fields, if there have been custom fields for the previous invoice, all of those will get copied. So let's just add a customer and let's also do an advance adjustment of, let's say, 5 rupees adjustment, and then the remaining we just, let's say we do a payment of 1175 and we just save it and we save that invoice. So one of the feature releases is that copy item details from previous invoice. The second is pertaining to the print changes. So before we do the print, before I show you the print changes, let me also add delivery challan linked to this invoice. So under delivery challan, you have the option to add a DC. Let's so we'll need the invoice uh, reference number. So this is the one we are using, which is 43. So let's choose Mahesh, and under show additional fields, you have the option to, we have a optional field called as reference document number. So let's just give that same document as try 24, 25, 43, give a total value of 1000 rupees for the delivery challan and save the delivery challan. Now let's go back to the print to see what is getting displayed, and let's take the print of this invoice. Uh, and I'll also open the print on the Chrome browser. Right. So if you see here, there is the DC challan, the delivery challan that is added as part of transaction details. If there are multiple DCs linked to this sale invoice, you will see comma separated DC numbers as part of this line. So this is one change on the print side. Secondly, there is this option, there's a section now included called as payment details. So whatever payments have been received and advances that have been adjusted, those get displayed here as part of payment details. So you will have payment received and advance adjusted as part of that invoice print itself. So these two are important additions, the payment details section and the DC section. These two are important additions to the print invoice print. Apart from that, the size or the font of the company name or the business name and the PDF print has also been changed slightly and increased. So to make it bold and uh, easy to recognize. So those are a few changes on the print side. Finally, on FinMart, there's one update which is when you create a FinMart or you go to the Mart settings, you will see this option called as visibility. It is it will be set, you have the option to set it as private or public, and this is part of our FinMart user app that is getting launched in the next few days. If you set it as public, you will see an option to generate a QR code, and you click that, it will generate that QR code which you can also download and then share that QR code through WhatsApp, etc., to your customers. And your customers who scan this QR code get added as for the pre-ordering as part of FinMart. So when your customers who are accessing your store uh, just scan your QR code, they get added to your store, and from there they can start looking at your inventory that are available in the mart and then do the pre-ordering, etc. So we will be covering the user side app in the next week or so, wherein we will show how the QR code scanning will help adding the customer to the mart and allowing them a visibility of your items. So whatever you choose here as part of what you have here is what your customers also will see as part of FinMart user app, and they can do the pre-ordering. and you will see the option to accept their orders, and then from there proceed to serve those orders. So these are some of these changes that have gone live. Uh, Please do go through these changes and let know your comments and any other areas of improvement. We are happy to help. Please touch base with our team or with your implementation partner for details. Thank you so much.